Hey there, travelers! Today we're taking you on a cool trip to one of the top spots for cruise ships in the world, Zadar, Croatia. This city, set on the stunning Dalmatian coast, has a story that goes back 3,000 years. You'll find old Roman ruins, cool churches from the Middle Ages, and even new fun stuff to see and do. Zadar has a lively culture and amazing views of the sea, making it a must-visit for anyone. Let's dive into everything you need to know to check out Zadar like you own the place. Now, onto the practical stuff for your visit. Your cruise ship will land at the port of Gazanica, a short ride from the center of town. Many cruise lines offer shuttles to the center, but make sure to ask your crews for details. If there's no shuttle, no stress. You can catch a local shuttle for a few bucks or grab a taxi right outside the terminal. Getting around Zadar is a breeze. The heart of the city is best seen on foot, so you can get the vibe and find cool spots along the way. For places a bit further out, there are buses and taxis, or for fun, rent a bike or jump on a hop-on hop-off bus tour to hit all the main sites. Local tours can really make your trip special. Tour guides know all about Zadar and can tell you stories and facts you might not hear otherwise. Think about joining a walking tour of the old city, tasting your way through a food tour, or gliding along the coast in a sea kayak. Booking these ahead can save you some cash and make sure you get a spot. Now, let's look at the top 5 must-see spots in Zadar during your cruise stop. The Forum. This ancient square has been the heart of the city for more than 2,000 years. It's surrounded by cute cafes and lively markets, a perfect starting point for your Zadar adventure. Church of St. Donatus. Next to the old Forum, this 9th century church is super cool with its round shape and big history. Climb up the nearby bell tower for amazing views over the city and sea. Sea Organ and the Sun Salutation. Take a walk along Zadar's waterfront to check out these modern wonders. The sea organ makes music with the waves, and the sun salutation lights up the night with colors, using solar power. Zadar Islands. For some nature, head to the islands around Zadar. They have beautiful beaches, clear water, and green spots. Ugljan Island is close and great for walking, biking, and swimming. Kornati National Park. If you have extra time, go see Kornati National Park. It's a bunch of islands known for their natural beauty. Boat trips there offer chances to swim, snorkel, and enjoy the view. Know you've been a good friend. People in Croatia are super friendly, and being polite goes a long way. Shake hands, look people in the eye when saying hi, and try out a few Croatian words like Dobar dan, good day, and Hvala, thank you. Cafes are a big deal in Zadar. Sit down for a coffee and just enjoy being in the moment. Tips are good to give for nice service. About 10% is cool. Get ready for some tasty food in Zadar. The food here is all about fresh Mediterranean flavors and seafood. Be sure to try black risotto and the lamb dish, Janje Narazanju. For something sweet, grab a krostjul, a yummy fried pastry with sugar on top. A glass of maraschino, a local liqueur, makes it even better. Zadar's weather is warm in summer and mild in winter. Spring and fall are awesome times to visit when it's not too hot or crowded. Winter is quieter, but still nice for a cozy visit. To really get into Zadar, try walking down less crowded streets like in the Varos area. It's charming and lets you see how people really live. Talk to locals, ask for recommendations, and maybe make a new friend. Locals can tell you the best spots to eat or hang out that you won't find in guidebooks. A guided tour can add a lot to your trip. A local guide can share cool stories and details about Zadar's past and present. Whether it's exploring historic places or tasting local foods, these experiences can make your visit unforgettable. If adventure calls you, try kayaking along the coast. It's a fun way to see Zadar from a different angle and find hidden spots along the water. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. It really helps us out. And to help you save on your next port visit, check out the video description for the links to our recommended local tours. Plus, you can download our port tour guide specific for the ports you are going to visit, all for free. These free resources will help you save a lot of money on your next port day visit. Happy travels!